Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are fine. Today our topic is about count, say and trace. Look students, what are these? These are tortoise. How many tortoises are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 tortoise. 6 tortoise. Look, what is this? This is 6. Now let's move your finger in number 6 like this. Okay, this is number 6. Let's color it. Look, in the boxes, here is number 6. 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. Let's trace them with pencil. I hope you understood this lesson. Take care. Allah Hafiz.
Dear students, please subscribe our channel, press the bell icon, like, share and comment the videos. Thank you very much.